Sa pumili ng Sprout card, ito ang inyong reading. Tignan natin kung ano ang sinusubukang i-manifest ng inyong kaaway sa inyong buhay. Inayos ko yung camera. So, I feel na kung sino man to nang bubuli sa inyo guys, lalabas ang kanyang baho. Na-feel ko kung sino man siya ay arrogante at mapagsamantala ng kabutihan ng iba. Pero wala siyang ginagawang mabuti para sa kanyang kapwa. I feel na kung sino man ito, sinisiraan kanya sa social media para siguro walang maniwala sa iyo. So, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. Okay, nasa sense ko bad luck. So, maybe ito yung tinatry niyang i-manifest sa inyong buhay. Lalong-lalo na sa inyong career. So, anyway, clarify natin yung cards. I feel na balak ka niyang bulihin or agawin pati yung inyong audience. Okay, nasa-sense ko yung matinding paninira. Really, sa social media ko nasa-sense. Okay. I feel na they will be regretful over something. Na-sense ko rin na yung iba sa tao na yung kaaway ay ang inyong kamag-anak mismo. Na sinisiraan ka behind the scenes and you could be somebody who's not even aware. So anyway, so, speaking of bully, so ito yung sinusubukan niyang gawin na i-bully ka. Sa totoo lang mahihirapan siya kasi you are definitely somebody that is authentic. Siguro ginagawa niya dito is parang sinisira niya yung image mo as an authentic person. As you can see. At yung binabalak niyang gawin sa'yo or sinusubukan niyang i-manifest ay maging stressful yung inyong buhay dahil sa mga bully or masasamang tao. Siguro kung sino man siya, maybe, may mga hinihikayat siyang tao na gumagawa sa'yo ng ganyan para ma-stress ka dahil siguro gusto niya iparealize sa'yo na maraming nambubuli sa'yo, maraming ahas sa paligid, and so on. Pero guys, okay, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi with the treasure being here, I'm feeling na despite of the bullies, you still have this treasure. To be honest with you, ito yung gusto niya mangyari or i-manifest sa mangyari ay maghirap ka, mawala yung treasure or mawala yung inyong kayamanan. And I'm sensing as well with regards to this set of cards, sa sense ko yung evil eye or yung something na parang negative energy like anger, jealousy, and so on. Pero I feel here na yung balak niyang gawin or i-manifest sa inyong buhay ay stagnancy, lalong-lalo na sa work. At ayaw din niya na makita kang minamahal. But yet dito sa cards mo, naka-upright yung mga to. Ibig sabihin lang nun, meron kang stable na tirahan, work, and you are loved as you can see. Kaya, minamanifest niya is yung stagnancy sana sa inyong buhay. Pero I have a feeling na malayong mangyari yun kasi you have that stability already. At marahil dahil na rin kilala ka ng mga tao as somebody na authentic. Honestly. So, dito niyang i-manifest na ma-stress ka nga sa inyong work at magsawa ka sa work mo dahil sa mga nambubuli. So, yung lesson learned dito, I'm not sure if napagdaanan nyo na siya nung past na na-overwhelm ka sa dami ng haters. So, if ever you encounter those things already, then you should have learned how to handle this. Okay? So, kung hindi nyo pa na-encounter yung mainam na gawin, guys, huwag nyo papansinin yung inyong haters or yung mga bullies na yan. Kasi can be whomever they are, sila siguro yung nabayaran ng, ng inyong kaaway or pwede nahikayat ng mga tao to hurt you. Hindi naman lahat sila ay, isipin mo na hindi lahat ng tao ay haters mo. Siyempre, meron ka supporters. Siyempre, meron ka mga admirers and so on. Hindi naman lahat ay haters. Kaya, huwag kang magpo-focus sa kung sino man ang nag-hate sa'yo. Kasi, meron pa rin naman mga tao na they admire you because they are aware who you really truly are. Kung sino man yung inyong hater or nauto, hindi sila yung, your real fans or people that appreciate you kasi hindi ka nila kilala really or they fail the test, so they judge right away dahil sa mga kumakalat na chismis and so kung ano man. So, we have the sprout. So, basically, based sa inyong reading na tinatarget ng inyong kaaway ay ang iyong stability, lalong-lalo na sa inyong career. Kasi, maybe you're somebody na umaangat, honestly, to be honest with you. At, I feel really heavy tears here. So, marami ka na siguro na pagdaanan at siguro napapansin mo rin sa inyong buhay na madalas kang bullying and you don't know why. Maybe those people, they work for evil, honestly speaking. At, syempre, yung mga masasamang tao na yan, iba yung actually dating nila with regards sa mabubuting tao. Parang yan, asot po sa honestly speaking. Na parang talagang magkaaway sila. Parang ganun din yung evil at yung good. Kung yung tao na yun, example lang, kung meron man siyang evil entity within, parang may intrigue siya sa'yo. Kasi you're somebody that is good. Honestly, at saka nainis siya sa'yo kahit walang dahilan. Yung ganun ba na energy with regards sa'yo ng taong ito. So, anyway, pero so far, based sa inyong reading, wala naman ako nakita dito na may ginawa kang mali, kaya naging magkaaway kayo. I feel like this is more likely, parang binubuli ka ng taong masama. Yun yung na-feel kong vibe dito. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. Siguro pinipigilan ka rin niya magsalita or mag-express ng inyong sarili, lalong-lalo na sa social media. So, we have this true story. So, you're definitely very authentic. Honestly speaking, we have the 2626 in reverse. So, ito rin yung dapat mo ma-realize na yung mga tao na hindi meant for you or alam mo hindi nagpa-vibe sa'yo, i-block mo sila, lalong-lalo na yung mga bullies na yan. Madali naman sa social media. Hindi naman pwede na patulan mo yun kasi pag pinatulan mo yung isang bagay, lalo lang lalala. So, mind as well pa nakita na kayo agad ng red flag, lalong-lalo na sa comment section, i-block nyo na agad, guys, because those people will continuously bully you. Okay, so we have the present here. We also have this one in either way. So, gusto nila mawala ka sa tamang direction. Kasi with the present being here, I have a feeling that you're somebody na you live in the present moment. At parang diretso yung inyong daan kasi alam mo kung saan ka patungo. So, ito yung tatry niyang i-manifest na malihis ka ng landas. Honestly. So, you have the strong in either way. So, gusto nila maging weak ka. Kagaya neto, Now, this will definitely happen if you focus too much on your bullies, honestly speaking. At syempre, lalong-lalo na kung yung emotion mo talaga ay di mo makontrol kapag may nambubully. So, yun gusto nila mangyari, na maging weak ka. So, I feel na yung gusto niyang gawin dito is, mapakinggan mo yung kanyang boses para yung negative comments na yan, pumasok yan sa'yo. At magkaroon ka ng discouragement, and that will lead you on for you being weak. But we have the strong in either way. Ibig sabihin lang kasi nun na what do you call this? Na paano pipilitin ka niya maging weak? It really up to you guys if ever you will let this bully manifest what they want from you. So we have this one, crown. We also have this in either way. So tulad ng nabanggit kanina, gusto niyang pigilan yung inyong progreso. Parang gusto kanyang gawing stagnant. Okay. Forgot where I saw that card, guys. Hanapin ko lang. Yung parang gusto niyang gawin kang stuck or in a stagnancy process. So we have this one. Okay, parang feeling ko ito yung chariot na nandito na naka-in either way. So, gusto niya gawin stagnant yung inyong buhay or ma-stuck ka para hindi ka makapag-work. So, yun yung balak niyang i-manifest. And, ayaw niya maging okay yung inyong buhay. So, parang pipilitin niya na parang yung mundo mo gumuho. Yun yung nafe-feel ko. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I'm sensing lagi kang bigo with regards sa inyong work. Kaya hindi mo ito ma-manifest ng maayos. Okay. I feel na parang gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon, hindi sila God. Okay. So, that's a strong message, guys. Kasi maybe some of you, parang iniisip mo siguro na masyado silang makapangyarihan, kaya nilang gawin ang gusto nilang gawin sa'yo, and so on. Parang, yung iba siguro sa'yo na wala na kayo ng gana, lalong-lalo na sa inyong channels, if ever you do have or negosyo, kasi hindi umaangat at feeling mo na parang kinokontrol yan ng taong masama. Kaya gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na yung masamang tao na yan, hindi sila Diyos. Okay, so we have this one. So basically, gusto nilang i-manipulate yung inyong buhay by making you imbalance, lalo na sa pera. So yun, gusto ka nilang i-betray behind the scenes. May betrayal dito. So with the Hierophant, para mawala ka sa konsentrasyon, lalong-lalo na sa inyong work. And yeah, some of you could be using your voice sa inyong work. Or can be you're somebody na I'm sensing na minamanifest na mawala yung inyong passion sa trabaho. Okay na. I feel tears with regards to this one. Parang gusto ka nilang umiyak. See? So, pinipilit ng inyong hater na hindi ka maging successful sa inyong career. And this is happening behind closed doors that you're not aware. So, tinatry ka nilang bulihin para hindi mo ma-manifest yung mga gusto mong marating sa buhay. At saka pinipilit ka nila mawala ng emotional fulfillment. Okay. Actually, you have these good cards. Kasi, to be honest with you, ito yung dapat mong makita. Okay. So, despite of the hate that you have here, na gustong gawin ng hater mo, ito yung buhay mo siguro sa ngayon, that you are loved. As you can see, you are abundant, you are somebody na meron kang stability, or alam mo talaga kung saan ka patungo. So, you live in this present moment, definitely. At sa ngayon, I have a feeling na maayos yung inyong buhay. Meron ka ring money, stable job, and so on. At ito yung tinatry nilang alisin sa inyong buhay. So, mapapayo ko lang sa inyo na dito kayo mag-focus. Huwag kayo masyado mag-focus sa inyong hater. Kasi, kung patuloy ka mag-focus sa kanila, sa kanilang gawain, mangyari sa'yo, parang nakatira ka na lang sa bote, or, matatakot ka na mag-express ang inyong sarili, honestly speaking, or gawin yung trabaho mo. Kaya, gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon, hindi sila Diyos. Huwag mo silang gawin Diyos. Huwag mo silang gawin dahilan kung bakit ka kailangan tumahimik or maging stagnant or so forth. So, huwag mo hayaan na kontrolin nila yung inyong buhay kasi first of all, this is your life and not their life. At saka wala ka namang ginagawang mali, so why are you going to stop what you're doing? Honestly speaking, if ever you got aware about these bullies, then pray over sa Panginoon natin to help you remove the toxic energy of them from you. So, yun ang mapapayo ko. And as for God's protection, guidance, and so on, and strength as well, try ka ng bully mo na maging weak. Okay, so that's it with regards to your reading. Hugs to every one of you, and God bless you.